Stampini, StampTV. Every week I add new content on things that virtual assistants can do to help you grow your business. So today I'm going to talk about internet presence, which is really, really important. When people are looking for new businesses, if it's not a referral or anything else, they're usually going to the internet. So your presence on the internet is more important today than ever. So that means social media sites as well. But when you Google your name or your business name on Google, what comes up? Pages and pages and pages of stuff, a lot of the time, will come up for a lot of businesses or names that you Google. When you do that and you start going through, a virtual assistant can help you go through each and every site to look at what does your bio, for example, say, how many years in business, what kind of phone number, clicking on different things, click links that it has, websites, different things. And a lot of times you didn't even create it. It just came up because of other businesses pulling it up and you didn't even know it was there. Pictures of you, no pictures at all that should have pictures. The consistency needs to be the same because Google wants you to be, you a business, they want consistency. Is the address the same? Have you changed addresses? It needs to be the same on everything. So you can go through one by one and make sure that all of these things such as phone number, address, all your links work, they're consistent, pictures are consistent, everything in every single site is there. Reviews, have all the reviews been responded to? And literally you can go one by one. Also, are your social media sites showing up when it pulls up? Click on those, look at those. Virtual assistants can do social media too, which I talk about on other videos, exactly what they can be doing for you and helping you with in social media. But here today, we're just really focused on what happens when you Google your name or business name and what comes up, and making sure that it's very consistent with every single thing that pulls up, every single thing. So a virtual assistant definitely can go in there, making sure your Google My Business looks good. Does it? It should be there. Do you even have a Google My Business? Is it optimized properly? Okay, because that should pull up right away at the top almost when you're pulling your name or your business. Google My Business is very important for your rankings, for your business. Just this year alone, we've made over 100,000 just on Google My Business, which is free. And all we did is spend, maybe 10 or 15 minutes a day on Google My Business, but it's all the people that are the incoming calls that we're getting because of optimizing it and adding information to it. So definitely utilizing virtual assistants to help your internet presence is awesome. So a lot of these things and a lot of these tips that I give you are things that virtual assistants can do that you're actually not paying any money for, but you're just paying a virtual assistant to make sure that you're consistent and your business is out there everywhere. Hopefully you got a couple tips from today. Follow me. Weekly, I give you more information on how virtual assistants can help you in your business. Click on the bell icon, thumbs up, comment. See you next week. Bye.